And loosen the screw to adjust your arm flexing. Use to adjust your Thank you for watching my video on the laptop and monitor 2-in-1 stand, which I purchased from Amazon. If you have any questions about the 2-in-1 stand, put them in the comment box below. But as you can see, I am really enjoying using it and it's highly functional. So thank you once again for watching the Wong Reviewer and have a great day.